Hello, my name is Reena, and this is the presentation for my Python 2 project. The project was inspired by new functions learned in Python 2. Other than the functions that inspired me to create this project, my first RPG also inspired me. Instead of renovating my original RPG like I had first thought to do, I created a whole new RPG project with different features. These are two pictures of the first RPG project. During class, I learned about JSON files and dictionaries, which I used in my project. JSON files are used for the saving and loading functions. Dictionaries are used to make different enemies. The player dictionary was the basic template used for the player when they created a new profile or loaded their previous ones. The player attack function was the function used to make the player attack the enemy first. In the function, the enemy lost health from their health being subtracted by the player's attack. This is a picture of my project, and now I'll show you a demonstration of my actual project. This is the player template that is the thing that the players use. And these are the enemy templates that show what enemy is which and their health and attack. When you run it, it'll first ask if you have an account loaded, saved that you want to load.
Try reloading the page and seeing if that fixes it. Yeah, that fixed it. You can go ahead and share your screen again and practice doing the demo again. Okay, we can give it a moment then. Sometimes it just doesn't load properly. We can go ahead and move on to the rest of the presentation then. I'll share my screen.
My favorite part about working on this project was testing the project after it was completed. When I tested the project after I completed everything, I had the chance to see what I had accomplished through all of the coding used. Testing the project also has perks, which were checking to see if it had any mistakes and could not run properly, or if there were any formatting left to adjust. This is a picture of the end result. If I were to continue working on this project, I will add a shop option, enemies dropping currency when they are defeated, and a runaway function. For the shop option, the players could buy different kinds of potion and pets to help them during battle with a stronger opponent. The second idea is based off of the first, and the player would then use the coins the enemy drop in the shop to purchase items. The third idea, running away, is when the player runs low on health and would otherwise be defeated, can run away and leave the battle. Thank you for listening.